There's an old joke. The world is divided into two groups. The people who like to divide everything into two groups, and the people who don't. In an earlier video, I argued that project managers need to synthesize opposites, appreciate nuances, and have a high tolerance for uncertainty. You may say, I'm a project manager, not a politician. But the truth is, you're both. Nowhere is it more important to be able to see both sides of an argument and to synthesize them into something more subtle and more complex than in the world of politics, where the temptation to take a polarized this or that point of view is a simple default for too many people. As a result, many project managers take a position that either I don't do politics or I try to rise above politics. Well, here's a flash. Project management is politics. You need to engage with stakeholders and listen to different views. You need to appease, cajole, and persuade, and work together to achieve results. That is politics. So the question you're going to ask is, where do we start? Well, building political capital is a 4-step process. So what you need to do is to assess where you are on this journey and start from the next step. And if you haven't yet reached the first step, start at the beginning and work your way through. Step 1 is to understand the power structure. Who knows whom? Who can influence whom? Who do you know? Who has the power? Step 2 is to attract people to you. Be confident. Be enthusiastic. Be generous with your time. Be the sort of person who other people want to be around. Step 3 is to craft your reputation. Henry Ford said you can't build a reputation on what you're going to do. So get things done. Make things happen. Inspire people. Lead. Step 4 is to build alliances. Look for opportunities to help other people and then to collaborate. Politics is applied reciprocity. So, I'd like to encourage you to spend more of your project management time building a network of influence. This will have 2 benefits for you. It will help you to deliver great projects, and perhaps more valuable, it will help you to develop the career that you want. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And in the meantime, I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.